Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to log into your WordPress dashboard directly from Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Bluehost account, then go to the websites page. And from this page, you will see all the available WordPress websites in your hosting plan. And next to the WordPress website that you want to log in to its dashboard, just click on this WordPress admin button. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. This way, you will automatically log in to your WordPress dashboard from your Bluehost account. And this is how to log into your WordPress dashboard from Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.